Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to quickly and easily get the stone blade in Green Hell. This is going to be especially useful for crafting stone spears or gathering some items using the stone blade itself. So to begin, first of all we'll need to find the resources, which include stones, and you can find it as these big stones near some cliffs like this one, or you can find it as smaller stones, but this big stone is all we need. And to gather it, just go ahead and aim at it with your mouse. And by holding the right mouse key, you see a menu open. And whilst aiming at the harvest option, stop holding the right mouse button key, and it is going to harvest the big stone into 3 smaller stones. From this, you can see the small stones inside of your inventory when you go to the middle tab, and here you can find the stones right here. Also, go to the right and here click on the craft option, and then put just 2 stones on the crafting stone. And as you can see, we can go ahead and craft the stone blade from 2 stones. So just go ahead and click craft, and we've gathered 1 stone blade. So this is pretty much all how to get it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.